So in today's video, I'm gonna use these diaper and wipe boxes to make a ball pit for them because we're home all the time and they broke our ball pit. The kids somehow deflated them, so I'm gonna use them to make a ball pit. I do use a lot of these boxes for toys. I put toys in them and kind of rotate them. So I'm gonna take them up and then put them all together. Washing the balls, and while we're waiting for the balls to be washed, I put stuffed animals in them so they can have fun in there. It's really easy. You just need to stack up your diaper boxes that are the same size, and then I have like a couple of different sizes because this is from Target, from Amazon, and different sizes. There are size 4, there are size 5, so I kind of just stack them up together to create a space for ball pit. And then I'm gonna put the balls in there really soon after I wash them because it's been in the kitchen in a play yard for a while. So I'm gonna do that. I'm excited to see how they will react. Yes, there's one ball over there. Good job, you found a ball. So I finished washing these balls.
There's 2 ball pits.
Yeah, that's where the ball pits are. And it is that simple to make a ball pit for free out of what you have at home. If your kids are as destructible as mine, this is a great way to create a new play space for them for free because my kids tend to break a lot of toys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and